I'm back. It's been a while. I've been very busy. I have been finishing school, working hard this year, having a gap year this year, and you know what? I've got a bit of time on my hands now, and I'm bringing this channel back alive. It's been highly requested that I bring Jar as Moi back. Friends and family all been contacting, when's the next video coming out? And what better time than now as my gap year commences. Yes, so this video here is hopefully a short one. I don't know how long it will go for. I'm going to take you through what I'm doing this year, my gap year, and we'll be taking you guys on for the journey. I will be going through my new camera setup actually. I got a new GoPro Hero10 and I hope it's actually good quality. And I'm going to the snow this year, my gap year. So I'll be going through my snow gear that I got for the 2022 season at Perisher, and I'll walk you through that. Hope you enjoy the video, and there is plenty more to come. Yeah, so as I mentioned before, new camera setup, GoPro Hero10. Everything so far is pretty good with it. I've always wanted a GoPro, but never got one, and saved my money up and I got a GoPro. And so that's my new setup. And GoPros are so good. You can do so many things with them and set them up in so many different ways. But this was sick because I was working and on YouTube, the video just popped up going GoPro 390 bucks off, and I was like, take my money. So yeah, got it for 390 bucks off, which was so good. And it was a deal I couldn't say no to. So I'll run you through what I got with that deal. Really sick. I got a stand that it's currently on at the moment with it as well. It's like a little tripod kind of thingy, which is cool. Came in a carry case. I came with a spare battery, a little clip thing, a couple of bits and pieces. That is the stick that I'm using right now. It's like a little extension. Came with a couple of stickers and whatnot. Yeah, just a nice little carry case. Pretty cool. Other thing I just got, JB HiFi, 89 bucks. Got it for 9 bucks though because I had a gift card. What it is just, it's called the Biggo, I don't know, it's something big. Anyway, and what it is you twist, pull it out, massive little thing. Should be good for filming videos in the snow. Big selfie kind of thing, or you know, following someone down the trails. So that will be an interesting thing to have down there. And so yeah, that's pretty much it for the GoPro setup. That's pretty much all I'm taking. I'm just taking the GoPro, and hopefully that will be doing all my filming. There's a lot of features, so it's pretty cool. And you guys will be seeing more of that later. But on to some other things. Rightio, well, I've got a few things to go through. As you can see, there's just a bit of stuff there. Yeah, let's get cracking on to what I have here. I'm going to try and get this done as quickly as possible because it's boiling wearing these. But basically, I've gone with the Shoot top and bottom from Anaconda. Really super comfy. Looks cool. Super warm. Not much I can say. It's got a little hood that can come on and off. Pockets. Just your general ski / snowboard jacket and jumper thingy. Yeah, but will keep me warm and looking fresh for the winter season. Helmet. I went with the Smith helmet. I don't even know I can't be bothered reading what one it was, but does the job. Looking fresh. I also got matching Smith goggles that go with it, as you can see. Just yeet these on. They just fit really well underneath the helmet. Helmet clips up, yeet. And yeah, looking fresh. Keep me protected, good visibility, all you would want in a helmet and goggle setup, really. Goggles also come in a nice bag with a changeable, with a switchable visor for cloudy and snowy days. Got my mittens that are absolutely massive because of my massive hands. Keep your hands warm. Got this little wiper thing to wipe the snow off your glasses. Really cool, really simple. Picked up these hiking boots from Anaconda for a massive price off because of a store opening, grand opening of a store. Really comfy and just will help me have lots of traction heading to the snow, heading back from the snow, so I don't have to wear my snow boots around the place. The other thing I'm taking is this backpack, and holy moly does this have features. This backpack literally has a million features, bro. Okay, so it's got a little place for your goggles. It's got a place to put a camelback so you can wind it through there and just have water. It's got a little zipper where you can access the things from the back. You can hold your snowboard there. You can put your skis on the side. There's a million zippers, a million different little pockets. Chuck her on. You got this bottom strap. Just click on there. Obviously we'll tighten it up. Strap up here, a little help whistle. Like, it's literally, for a day on the slopes with this, you can fit everything in here. It's so cool. Oh, it's also got, just in the bottom here, pull this out. That goes over your helmet, keeps your helmet on there as well. It's like, they literally thought of everything. It's one of the best backpacks I've ever seen, which is probably why it was a bit on the more expensive side. And last, and certainly not least, is that the saying? Yeah, is my snowboard boots. These are sick, I'll show you. So, chuck them on. As you do, just slide your foot in. It's got this little string here, goes down in there, clicks in. You just pull this thing up, and that pulls your inner boots in. Chuck that down there. Now here, it's got a little dial, and you literally just click and twist. And voila. Boots on, and yeah, you know, this just goes right over the top. My little zipper, puts that down. So easy. Then when you're done, you just pull this up. You literally just take it up and it spins out. Like that, and just bang. Super, oh, foot stuck. Then you just get this clip here, take it out, pull it up, like that. That was a bit quick. Take it out, push forward, and yeah, that's pretty much the boots from Ride. Jackson's, size 11, like a beast. But yeah, that's basically my gear for the snow. So I just wanted to take you through a quick video, what I'm taking down, what I'm doing this year. I'm taking Dad's car and we're doing a bit of DIY in the back, making a drawer and some storage space that I'm sure I'll show you guys in another video. But this one was just a quick, well, I don't know how long it's going to end up being, but quick, hello, I'm back. Wanted to take you through what I'm doing this year, all the stuff I'm taking with me down to the snow, and you guys will be informed and updated on everything that's happening, and I want you guys to come along and enjoy my working holiday at Perisher. I mean, hopefully watch me get better at snowboarding, because I'm literally starting from nothing, so you'll see if I get any good or not. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Peace out.